The following segment is sponsored by the Utah Restaurant Association. A great meal is the best way to end a long, fun day of golfing. Katy Sine took the Taste Utah Road Tour to Carbon County's Country Club. Let's take a look.
We are on Fresh Living with the Taste Utah Road Tour. It's Tuesday or Thursday, and we are educating you on food worth traveling for. We are down in Carbon County this week. We're at Carbon County Country Club Restaurant. We're about to go into the kitchen with Executive Chef John Roten, and he has created some fantastic offerings of what you can expect when you come on down. All right, Chef, so we're back in the kitchen. You have prepared some amazing food already. You're about to prepare something more?
Yeah, this is going to be our new appetizer that we run. It's goat cheese croquettes with a homemade tomato jam.
Oh, that sounds amazing. Okay, so we start with...
So these are the goat cheese croquettes that we make in-house.
Great.
They're three-step breaded.
Okay.
And then we're just going to deep fry them.
Awesome. Tell us what that means, three-step breaded.
So we take them and we form them into these little balls.
Okay.
We go egg wash, flour, egg wash, and then breadcrumb, panko breadcrumb.
Love that.
And then we just deep fry them to order.
Make them extra crispy.
We will. Yes.
Okay, perfect.
Awesome. So we're going to go in the deep fryer.
Going into the deep fryer.
Awesome. And we go about 4 of them per order.
4 to order, okay.
And then this is going to take about 4 to 5 minutes to cook.
Okay, 4 to 5 minutes to cook. So going down in the deep fryer. Now we have...
After that, we can start plate up. This is our homemade tomato jam. We take about 10 pounds of tomatoes. Okay. Slow roast them for about 3 hours with some sugar, a little bit of cinnamon, some crushed red pepper flake.
I mean, it's beautiful. And then it almost looks like a confit.
It's traditional jam. It is very sweet. It does not... It's got more of a sweeter taste than your traditional tomatoes.
Love that. And what kind of tomatoes are you working with?
These are Roma tomatoes.
Romas, nice. All right, Chef John, that looks incredible. How do we know when the goat cheese balls are done?
So we let them go about 5 minutes.
Okay.
Usually that lets us know that they're ready to go.
All right. Does it sound ready?
Yep, they are definitely ready.
Oh, yeah. They're GBD, golden brown delicious. I learned that over the years. That's what you're looking for when you're getting a nice crisp.
And you can see the cheese is wanting to start fall out of them.
Just oozing out of them, which is so lovely.
A good indicator that they're done.
Okay.
Okay, and then we're gonna those right there.
Just 4 right on top of there. Sprinkle a little bit of this delicious, fresh microgreen salad mix.
Baby lettuce mix, yep.
For the top of each one. And would you say meant to be eaten one, almost in like a whole bite?
It's almost like an amuse-bouche if you're sharing it with multiple people. Yes.
I mean, if you're generous enough to share it with multiple people, because what I'll say is that looks phenomenal. Yes. Tell us what else you've got working for us.
So as far as appetizer, we've got some cocktail shrimp.
Okay.
Iced jumbo shrimp. We've got some ahi tuna tataki. It's just ahi steak seared with a little bit of Cajun and brown sugar.
Okay.
This is our Kobe beef burger. It's from Snake River Farms with a homemade bacon jam.
And then it looks like we've got prime rib.
Prime rib. We do
filet mignon.
Prime rib every Friday night. That's kind of an exclusive special that we do.
Love that.
We do an 8-ounce bacon wrapped filet mignon.
Beautiful.
These are our coconut encrusted prawns.
And then halibut, just for the halibut.
Halibut, yep, with a caper cream sauce.
Mac and cheese.
That is our lobster mac and cheese.
Yep. I mean, this is definitely food worth traveling for. You have got to drive down to Carbon County, just right outside of Price. It's Helper, Utah. We love it down here. It's beautiful. Also, check in with Taste Utah. We're tasting the state for you through our YouTube channel, also Instagram, Twitter, Facebook. Chef, this has just been extraordinary.
Thank you. I appreciate you coming by.
Thank you.
Awesome.